Looking for a way to restore deleted issues in Jira? Someone will tell you it's impossible, but we at SaaSJet aim to convert your needs into possibilities. That's why we launched the Restore option with Issue History for Jira app. It has one magic button specially designed for this case. Let's see how it works. There are 3 main steps to follow. After you install the add-on, you need to activate the storing process. Turn on the Keep Deleted Issues toggle. From that moment, every issue someone deletes will be stored. Open the Filter Issues by drop-down menu and select Deleted Issues. Here you will find a list of all deleted issues. Press the Restore button. It appears after you hover the cursor over the issue. You will open the card preview window and see how the issue will look after the recovery. One click and the deleted Jira ticket is restored. Now it's your turn to try how it works. Be sure you can always get your issues back to projects.